Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this last edge pair. So there are few things which we need to fix it. So here you can see there are few pieces which are not properly placed, and here also there are few edge pieces which are we need to fix. So first what we'll do is, here you can see 1 2 3 edge pieces. One edge piece is flipped. So what we'll do is, we have one edge piece over here, so we'll try to match this with the second layer edge piece like this. So here you can see this is matching. Okay, so now we'll perform this algorithm, that is R U R prime F R prime F prime R and U. So what that will do is, you can see this both the pieces came here. Okay, and here you have three white and blue pieces which are in pair. So now we have one blue and yellow pieces here, and one more blue and yellow pieces here. So what we can do is, we can again try to do the same thing what we have done in first case. So what we'll do is, we'll just bring this piece in front of this, I mean here. So what we'll do is, so now you can see this piece has come here, and this is here. So what we can do is, we can again pair this. You can see we can pair this, and we'll again do the same algorithm. So that is R U R prime F R prime F prime R and U. So now you can see we have two pieces which are not properly placed. Okay, so now what we can do is, we have two blue and yellow pieces over here, two yellow and blue pieces over here. So what we can do is, we'll bring this piece over here like this, and we'll pair with this, and we'll perform the same algorithm, that is R U R prime F R prime F prime R and 2U. What that has done is, you can see we have now 1 2 3 4 5, only one piece which is left here, that is white and blue. Okay, now we have few pieces which are here. Okay, so now we are left with one edge piece belongs to this side, and one edge piece, that is yellow and blue, belongs to this side. Okay, so what we will do is, now we will bring this yellow and blue in this side. So what that will do is, this will flip this two, and this will come here. So this will be into right position, but this two will be flipped. So I'll just show you. We will only bring this layer, and now we have to perform this algorithm, that is R U R prime F R prime F prime R and U prime. Okay, so now you can see we have this edge parity on both the side. So here also there is an edge parity, and here also there is an edge parity. So first we'll solve this edge parity. So we have to move this layer only and this layer only. So r prime 2u L middle layer only 2f L prime middle layer only 2f. Now 2r 2f, sorry 2u r 2u r prime 2u 2f 2r and 2u. So now we can see this is solved. Similarly, we'll use the same algorithm in this also. So we have to flip this too. So we'll use this layer and this layer only. So this layer and this layer. So it is r prime. So whenever I move this layer, I'll move this top 2 times. So 2u. And whenever I move left layer, I will move this 2 times. So L, so 2f L prime, so again 2f. Okay, now this layer r2. So since I moved right layer, I will have to move this 2u. Then r, so 2u r prime, so again 2u. Now 2f 2r and 2u. So now we can see this is also solved. So I mean this is the last age pairing, last 2 age pairing. So I mean if you have any query, you can message me. These are few cases, there may be some other cases also, so you can let me know if you come across with any other cases. So I'll definitely help you out. Thank you very much.